Hey guys, it's Steve here from North Star Productions. I'm going to show you how to log into your follow-up router account for the first time. So pretty simple. From your followuprouter.com home screen, you've got the login button here. You should also have received this email. It says welcome to North Star Productions. Obviously I've created a false person here with a Gmail account. If you click here to log in the first time, it'll work. Once you've logged in, once this link no longer works on the email, so you just go through the login screen right here. I recommend bookmarking this screen. It just saves you some time in the future. So here is my phony Gmail account that I've used. I'm going to sign in, and you can either email yourself a code or text yourself a code. I like texting myself a code. I find it's a little quicker. Text message comes through pretty quickly. And we're in, and now we're on the dashboard screen. You can see I haven't set up anything on the dashboard screen yet, but now you can see how to get in and access your account. There will be more tutorials to come. Thanks, guys.